Alrighty. I'm gonna go get the new truck that my friend gave me. Not really gave me, I bought it. Roll that up. I take my grandpa's truck or my half-ton. The River 3500. I'll take the half-ton because the truck I'm gonna be pulling is gonna be 10 tons. So. Jeez, it's wide. Close this. Oh wow, look at that! I think it's beauty. All right, gotta grab the trailer from the side of the house. I'm gonna grab the gooseneck. Why not? Alright. Lower that all the way. There we go. Alright. Well, I'm gonna go pick up my friend's truck. It's kind of almost down the road. It's about 10 minutes. Nope. I'm gonna go pick it up. Alright, rolling up on the truck now. That thing is awesome. 10 ton, made here, custom built actually. Friend's wife is tired of it in her driveway, so he's getting rid of it. He doesn't have a trailer, so he asked me to take it, but he doesn't like, I was gonna give him my trailer, but he doesn't really like borrowing things, because then he feels like he owes people. So, I'm gonna go ahead and just back this up. Oh, why? How did he get this thing? Well, he did build it in his driveway. Kinda in his driveway. He did bring it here after it was fully built, got a ticket. Oh, Jesus. I'll pay him back for all this property damage. Oh, my. Ooh, game glitching. Oh my goodness, how he has such a small driveway. How does he expect me to get up this thing? Right, there we go. Come on. I gotta whip a bitch. Come on. This is a 10-ton truck that I'm about to pick up, so I'm probably going to squat my truck a little bit. I don't like squatting trucks unless it's got a heavy load. If it's got a heavy load in the back, then I don't care. Alright, I'm going to just, yeah, I'm going to have to just kind of, oh my. Nowhere to pull over either. Alright, well. I guess I'm gonna have to do it here real quick. Ugh. Jeez. This thing's beauty. Look at that. Ooh. Oh yeah, Red Bottom Blue Smoke 950 horsepower. Oh, this might not actually. Oh, this might be a little wide for this. Oh my. I'm gonna just shut that off. Oh my. Alright, I'm gonna get back to you guys when I get it onto the trailer. Okay, well, I don't know how I did that, but I got the tires on top of a ramp. Yeah, alright, I'm gonna just strap this thing down. Oh my. Oh my goodness! That bull bar is rubbing up on that thing. Yeah. Wow, okay. I barely fit it. Just gonna put every single strap on. Oh my goodness, that's a massive truck. Turn this on. Alright, here we go. Surprisingly not popping wheelies. So I did this a couple days ago, and I started popping wheelies like crazy. This is a brand new trailer, so. Oh. Ah, come on. If anyone's wondering, the truck I am driving right now. Oh, hold up. I have to lift that. How do I lift it again? There we go. The truck I am driving is actually the. Hold on. It's the NMC built. Hold on. Okay. Well, I'll get to you when I figure out what it is. Okay, so I figured out what it was. It was a Rogue 350. Very awesome truck. It is a mod. You can get it for free in the mod menu. I'm not squatting as bad. I still got a little bit of a drive. But so far, so good. I haven't floored it, which I'm actually gonna do now. Why didn't he just build it at his factory? This is my friend's factory. I don't get it. He's got a huge shop there, too. Oh! Alright, I'm flooring it. Slow down. Slowing down. Alright, here we are. Oh! Okay, here we go. I might have to park this something on a hill. Because that's what I had to do when I was putting it up there. Well, I made it. Squatting it a little bit. Alright. Yeah, okay. Well, I'm gonna get a thumbnail. Right about there. Okay, got the thumbnail. Yeah, this is the trailer I tried putting it on. It's a little smaller than that. Every time I would put the ramps up, it would kind of just come over here. I had it parked on this bar because this bar is reinforced, all that. American Bandit, go check them out. This does have a high hitch. Every time I would put the ramps up, the ramps would kind of push it onto here, and my truck would start popping a wheelie. Like it was nothing. And I'm not using that because of, well, that right there, and that slant. Yeah. So, I brought it on this. Let's probably get it unloaded. Attach all these straps. This is not road legal. It hasn't even been insured. Alright, here we go. Red, white, and blue. Alright. Oh. Oh, there's the 10-ton. I should probably go park this. I should probably start the engine first, honestly. Gonna pistol whip it. Ooh. Alright. Oh. There we are. Go ahead and park this in my garage. Actually, you know what? I'll just kind of park it right here real quick. Alright, turn it off. This is my brand new 10-ton. Oh my, that thing took me a little bit to get it loaded up. Took me about an hour. But look at them. Okay, those aren't that big. But these, whoa, those are some big tires. It's all-wheel steering, just like my monster truck. You can't really see it, but I have a monster truck. It's right there. I have a couple more vehicles in there. In that shop, I have a tow truck. It's right behind that building, and that's my $1.5 million house. But this thing is awesome. Go ahead and take it for a test drive. Wow. Oh, this thing climbs. Little pothole. Alright, I have a little mud hole. Or, it's actually right there. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of drive up in it. We don't talk about that truck. This thing's like lifted. Oh, get stuck. Can't get out there. Try to floor it this way. Come on! Yeah! Oh. Alright, bring it over here. It's a brand new shot. That first thumbnail didn't work. Oh, this one. Actually, you know what? I'm not even gonna make that thumbnail. Okay. But, well, guys, that's me for today. And let me know in the comments what vehicle I should get next. And see what vehicle I can actually tow it with. Because I already used that. Because of the gooseneck trailer. I have my grandpa's truck. I also have a rally Beetle that's actually right here. Oh, it's in here. It's right here. I do have a trailer hitch on it. I also have my lifted four-wheeler and my lifted and lengthened. I don't know what these ones are called. Oh, the Beast 1000, and then I have my go-kart. I also have the monster truck if you guys want me to do a monster truck one. And I also have a tow truck in the back. Actually, you can kind of see it right there. That's it right there. But anyways, guys, that's going to conclude it for this video. And I'll see you guys next time.